Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan and welcome back to The Forge. In this episode of Trust Me I'm a Blacksmith, I'm going to make a toasting fork. And one hell of a toasting fork as well. So, it's got particularly warm here in the UK. It's abnormally, oddly spring-like with nice warm temperatures. And I'd just like to bring up a point. If it's hot where you are, and it's hot in the forge, drink plenty of water. I probably drink about 2 litres a day. That's my hot tip for today. But yeah, in this video, I'm going to take a piece of 30 by 10 or 1 inch 1/8 by 3/8 bar, and I'm going to forge it into this lovely little fork. So you can see that, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. See you in a bit. the video, guys. I really enjoyed making the little fork. I haven't done anything like this for a while. It turned out really nicely and it took me about an hour in total, so that's quite good. Please like and subscribe, chuck your comments down below. Any ideas for things for me to make, just give us a shout, I'm always keen. And I will chuck a link to a video up here of some hammers that I made recently. And thanks for watching, see you soon, bye bye guys.